Hi everyone, you're watching MV channel. Today I'm going to unbox Huawei P30. It's come with triple camera, world's largest zoom technology in a phone. Let's see how it performs. So let's start the unboxing. First impression of the unboxing, you can see the device. Firstly, wow, it's come with a nice shade. So we can take out the cover. The Huawei P30 Pro feels very solid in my hand. The camera comes with 40 megapixel main camera and 16 megapixel ultra wide and 8 megapixel telephoto lens. The main feature of this phone is the camera. It's powered by Android. I'm not sure about the version. Let's check it. So let's do a quick review of the box. It comes with a SIM ejecting tool and it have a nice silica gel cover. It comes with a C-type cable and it has a supercharger in the box itself. Nice earbuds. We can check the quality of earbuds later. So let's move to the device and let's see how it performs. Get start. I'm just skipping all the terms and conditions. Later I will put my SIM and use it. Now I am just skipping all of this. I love this glass. It's absolutely stunning. It has great pixel density. So we can move to the camera department and see how it performs. My first impression with camera is it's just cool and amazing, stunning. I don't know how to say or how to review the camera. The camera option of this phone is more than enough. Let's try the zoom option of the P30. It's just amazing how far you can zoom. Wow, it's just incredible. I'm not able to see that view using my naked eye. It's just incredible. I'm just in love with this phone. If you are looking for a flagship model phone, just go for it. No other words to say. It's just incredible. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in another video.